वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा. Greetings to all my teachers and my dear friends. As we all know, today is Ganesh Chaturthi. I would like to discuss with you that why we celebrate the festival. So, at first, I would like to tell you the history of Ganesh Chaturthi. How did Ganesha came into the existence? In Indian mythology, it is said that goddess Parvati made baby Ganesha using sandalwood paste and asked him to guard the entrance while she took a bath. When Lord Shiva wanted to enter, Ganesha would not even allow him to pass through. Lord Shiva, enraged by this, severed the child's head. When Goddess Parvati realized what happened, she was overwhelmed and heartbroken. This is when Lord Shiva promised that he would bring baby Ganesha back to life. He went on to instruct his followers to search for the head of the first living creature they could find to replace on Ganesha's body. However, the followers could only find a baby elephant head. That is, Lord Ganesha came back to life with the head of an elephant. Lord Shiva named him the leader of the Ganas or Ganpati. And now we will discuss that how did Ganesh Chaturthi celebrate. Ganesh Chaturthi is also called Vinayak Chaturthi. Ganesh Chaturthi is celebrated on Bhadrapad. On Chaturthi, Lord Ganesha came on the earth with his mother, Goddess Parvati. Lord Ganesha is called the god of beginnings. In Hindu religion, all new works starts with the name and chants of Lord Ganesha. Lord Ganesha brings Riddhi Siddhi and prosperity in the work. People try to please Lord Ganesha with modaks and prayers. Big idols of Lord Ganesha is kept in pandals for 10 days. On the 10th day, that idol is immersed in the water with great respect and devotion. This festival is mainly celebrated in Maharashtra. This festival was started by the great freedom fighter named Lokmanya Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Maratha Manush. May this auspicious Ganesh Parv will remove the shade of Corona from our lives. Ganpati Bappa Moria.